We're going to metal detect over here at an old football field with a Minelab Manticore. Now the Minelab Manticore is a lot of fun. Still get used to it. I'm still getting used to it. It's been bad weather, been windy, very windy weather. And then I had this terrible cough. But as you can see over here, this used to be a football field. Up on the hill was a middle school before this building here. And I talked to one lady and she said they used to come into this football field and walk around at break times or lunch times. So this might be a good place. I know it's probably been hit a few times. So let's go metal detecting. And as always, thanks so much for watching. Doesn't that sound like good sound? And the circle's not bad. 94, 95. It appears it's something big. I don't know whether to try to dig it up or not. Yep. Definitely hard. I don't know if you can see this. Just laying on top of the ground. Modern day penny. There it is. I think that's a modern quarter. Well, there's something metal down here. I'm not sure what it is, but it's big. I don't know if you can see it down there or not. That's probably what I was picking up. Maybe part of the stands, I'm not sure, for the football field. That's a real high number. And the circle's good. Well, it was. We've gone 360 degrees. Aha! A piece of metal of some sort. Probably went to the stands. Alright. Y'all probably see it before I will. There it is. Looks Looks like a modern day quarter. Huh. Well, I don't know if you can see this. Undoubtedly it fell out. Let's get some sun on here. It's a penny. And it's just a modern penny. Oh, there it is, way over there. And there's a quarter. A modern quarter, is that? I wonder if this could be a nickel. It's solid. Solid 27. Ah, I see it. Finally. And it is a nickel. Huh. Looks like it could be an older nickel. Sounds like a bunch of junk, but I'm going to dig. It appears it's something right in here. Ah, it popped up then. And it's a dime. The Roosevelt dime. Notice where it is on the, and there's a lot of sheet metal. There's a lot of sheet metal here that and that's what it is, a piece of metal. Looked good, sounded good. Let's jump. Notice how the object on the line is round, and it's pretty constant. The tone is the same. Oh, here it is. And I think it's a modern day quarter. Alrighty. And see the circle? It's just a pure, no variance in sound or tone. So I would imagine it's pretty close to another quarter. Ah, there it is. I don't know if I had the camera on it very well, but it's another modern day quarter. I think I heard something there. There it is. A quarter. I knew, oh, it's an older quarter. All right, let's see what we can see on that. $1967, so that's not bad. It's not a perfect round dot on the screen. There we go. Let's dig. I dug up a little dirt here and look down, right down here. I don't know if you can see it or not. I hit it with my shovel, I think. It's an older quarter. I can't make it out. I think it's 1990 something. Well, it wasn't that old. It's a looks like 1993 or 1995 quarter. But it was just, I think I scraped it with my shovel a little bit. So I guess that teaches me to dig a wider hole. Well, the Minelab Manticore was a lot of fun today, metal detecting. And we found a few coins up around here and over there, some in the center of the field. Nothing old, but it was a good day, beautiful day, probably in the 60s. A little breeze, but all in all, it was a great day. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel, I'd really appreciate it. Catch you later.